Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to be filming an unboxing. I just got this big old box in the mail. It is the Uppababy G-Luxe. I talked about it in a couple vlogs ago, I think, about we're going to be going to Disney, and so I ordered it on Amazon Prime Day. Got a really good deal on it. So I'm going to unbox it and put it together and give you guys my initial reactions. Coming at you straight out of the box. I like the fact that it stands up on its own. That's awesome. And it's not all that heavy. Kind of awkward getting it out of the plastic. Oh, it comes with a cup holder. Hope it doesn't. Oh, it's still staying. Perfect. Oh, I really like that these are they plastic? No, they're not. They're like a hard foam almost, but like I don't even know what, my bob. It's like, it's a foam, but it feels weird. Like this is really nice and smooth. I don't really like the handle so much on my bob. It's kind of weird. Got some front wheels, pop on. I don't think it matters where they go. Looks like this is cup holder. All right, so don't see. It's like a little latch. This is a little bit different. Oh, so okay, so the one I showed you guys when I went to, where did I go? Uppababy. It was the 2017, I believe was its model number or model year, and this is 2018. So they've made some upgrades. It looks like the canopy is a little bit different than the one that I showed you guys, and this canopy has like a pocket in the back. You guys can see that. There's like a pocket right here. It just gives the parents some extra stuff. And it came with a cup holder. The model that I looked at said it did not. So I bought an extra one. So I might actually just have to return this. Or maybe I'll just have two. I don't know, we'll see. The reviews on these cup holders weren't the best. I do have a parent console like coming that'll go across like the handlebars for like 2 extra cup holders, and then there's like a center piece where you can like put your phone and your keys and like a zipper to put some stuff in. If I can figure out how to get these on, we'll put it on. Oh, that was easy. You guys can see this. It gives it a lot of sun coverage, so that's nice. Where does this cup holder go? Like, is it for the kids? Where's an adult cup holder? Does it work for a kid's cup holder? Like, could you click it on? Oh, so you could click it on for like a kid's cup holder, it looks like. But, ouch. I feel like that would get in the way when you fold it up. So what about, oh, that would just be in her way, like if she's sitting there. So maybe it is supposed to be, let's go on this side. It's supposed to be for the parents. I'm not really sure. Let's go ahead and open this one and see what the difference is. I don't know. This one looks like it's a little different. Maybe, I don't know. Yeah, it is. A little bit of a different cup holder than what, whoops, than what came. So this is the one that came with the stroller, and it's like slanted, like how the bar is on the stroller. And then this is the one that I purchased separate, and it like is straight up and down. I don't know, maybe this one won't work on this stroller. I don't know, the box says it will. I don't know. Like, yeah, I don't even know where you would clip this on at because it's gonna be crooked. Unless you clip it on back here, maybe? Doesn't seem very secure. Oh, it goes on the back. Well, that just seems silly to me. Yeah, I don't feel like this is gonna work with this stroller. It says that there's like a little, like it's supposed to go right here, but it's weird. I don't think it's gonna work with a stroller, so I'll have to return that cup holder. Like if I put this cup holder down here, maybe. I won't even go there, just go up here. Like if I put that there, will it fold? Looks like the answer is yes, it will fold with that cup holder. So she might just have to use that one. Like I said, I ordered a parent console, or is that what it's called? Parent console? I don't know. That will go across like the handlebars here and then kind of hang out like back here. I'll insert a picture like over here of what it looks like. And like I said, I'll put all the links down below for everything. And then because I am using this when we go to Disney, and anybody that's been to Florida knows that it rains there a lot, I got a rain cover. So I'm gonna take this out and see what it looks like, and I should show you guys. Oh. It's like has paper all through it, so sorry about this noise. Sorry guys, I think my memory card got full or something. My camera's falling. All right, so let's see how this goes. It's not, let's see. I'm sorry if that's super dark, guys. Like, does this make a difference if I close this? That's a lot better. I'm sorry if this whole video has been really dark. Like, that makes me sad. Let's see how this thing works. I mean, I feel like this should be pretty self-explanatory, but you never know these days. Yeah. So that must be like the peekaboo. I know that has to be down for sure. And then this must like connect. There's like little Velcros right here. Let's just connect down here. And there's like a little flap here for the kid to breathe, I guess. I don't know. Not sure. Well, that looks. Well, looks pretty good to me. I feel like that would keep her dry. Oh, and there's more straps up here to connect it. So that looks like that's gonna work out good. There's one more. Here it is. Oh, I didn't even like go over the buckle. So it does have a 5-point harness, which I really like. One buckle, like this whole thing is a buckle. It's not one where this piece like slides over this, if you guys know what I mean. It is one whole buckle because my child is a little monkey and likes to only have the waist part buckled, and when there's not like a belly bar or a child's tray or anything across here, I don't like that. I like her actually like fully buckled in. So I really like that this is one whole piece because she doesn't have a choice that way. Mom, win. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. Probably not. All right, so like I said, it does have a 5-point harness. And I didn't really like the words, like the warnings and stuff were like facing out. That's kind of weird. But when I went to switch it around, I realized that there is like a Velcro piece in here. If you can see this Velcro here, there's a matching one in here, or an opposite one, I guess. So that's kind of nice. Let me get this back up here. So that is like one of my biggest pet peeves, even like on her actual car seat, that I can't get that back on. That the shoulder strap, like things like this, just slide down all the time. And it does have 3 slots, so here's the lowest one. It's not on the middle one, and I'm probably actually gonna move it up for her, the tallest one. And then this is the cup holder that I was talking about. The basket is pretty large. The only thing is when you lay this down, you can't really, I mean, you can kind of get in there. There's a little bit of space, but not a ton. And then here's that pocket that I was telling you about on the back of the canopy. Here is where you can fold the stroller. There's just a little button here on the side. You push this at the same time and you pull up on both of those. And then if we go to the brakes, they're, as you can tell, red and green. So red is to lock it, and then green you push down to unlock it. So again, red locks, green unlock. Overall, I feel like, ooh, that's bad. Okay. Overall, I feel like this is gonna be a really good stroller for us. I think it's gonna work out great. I'm gonna use it here, like around town and stuff, like going for little walks or like go to the mall, just to try it out and see how I like it. It feels like it is a little bit more like sturdy than what it felt like in the store, and that's probably just because this is a newer version. And the other one, like I said, was like 2017, I believe, or before. They changed how it looked and stuff for 2018, so I'm not really sure what model year that one was. Yeah, so this is the G-Luxe. First impressions, I like it a lot. when I do get the parent console, I will like insert a clip in that day's vlog or whatever, just to show you guys what I'm talking about and how it looks on the stroller and how it works and stuff. But thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and in the links below will be links for the stroller and the accessories, and then also is down there my social media links if you want to follow me on social media. And then don't forget to hit your bell notification so you get a notification whenever I upload a video. Thanks for watching. Bye. How you like your stroller?
I do like this stroller.
Is it comfy?
Yeah.
I think it's a hit, guys. She likes it.
Yeah. Did we just go past Grandma's house? Because I don't want to go past.
What?
I don't want to go past Grandma's house.
You want to go past Grandma's house?
Yeah.
What are you talking about? We haven't even gone to Grandma's house yet. Oh, they can't see your thumbs in the way.
My thumb has to be right there.
That's Grandma's house right there.
Yay.
Should we cut through? Should we cut up, or you want to go all the way around?
Cut up, just cut. Wee.
How does it ride in this grass?
Pretty good.
It actually does push really good in the grass. I'm kind of surprised.
Isn't it good?
You can make it up the hill.
There you go.
Well, guys, I kind of drove her through the grass a little bit so we could see she's trying to unbuckle herself already. So we could see how it does in the grass. And I'm actually super surprised at how easy it is to push in the grass. Like I said, I've had other umbrella strollers and pushing them through the grass is not an easy thing at all. And I didn't even lock, watch out baby girl. I didn't even lock, like they have like a, no, just kidding, I lied, they don't have the all-terrain lock like I thought they did. But I'm actually really happy with it. So I think it's a win in my book.